In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo in Canva in just 5 minutes. This is a fantastic way to create a professional looking logo, even if you're not a designer or don't have any prior experience. Canva is a user-friendly platform with a vast array of tools that can help you create stunning logos with ease. So let's dive right in and get started on creating your unique logo. First, head over to Canva's website and type logo into the search bar. This is an essential first step because it will bring up a wide selection of logo templates that you can choose from. Canva's library includes both free and premium options, so you're guaranteed to find something that fits your needs and style. Take a moment to explore the different categories and styles available. Feel free to open multiple designs and see which resonates best with your brand vision. Once you've explored the options, the next step is to select one of these free logo templates. This selection process can take some time, and that's perfectly fine. Make sure to choose a design that captures the essence of your brand, because this is what your audience will first notice about your business. You can preview different templates by hovering over them, which can help you make an informed choice. After selecting a template, click on Customize this template. This will bring you to the design interface where you can start personalizing every element of the logo. This is where the fun really begins. Feel free to change colors, fonts, and images to match your brand's identity. Canva's customization options are extensive, allowing you to tweak nearly every aspect of the design. Now look for the Design button and click on it to further edit your logo. Here you'll get additional tools to adjust the layout and structure. Take advantage of this by exploring different font sizes and alignments to see what best fits your overall aesthetic. Spend some time experimenting with different elements to find the perfect balance. Next, it's time to add some unique elements to your logo by clicking on the Elements tab. This is your opportunity to truly make the logo your own by incorporating graphics, shapes, or even icons that represent your brand. There's an extensive elements library available in Canva, so don't hesitate to get creative here. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've crafted a distinctive logo for your brand using Canva's powerful yet intuitive platform. Remember, your logo is the face of your brand, so take the time to ensure it accurately represents who you are and what you stand for. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you navigate through the process smoothly. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing.